Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Few days back I asked you a problem statement which was related to pipelining in digital design, and I already have given you two solutions for that. One of them was not efficient one and another one was efficient one. And at the end of the solution 2 I asked you another problem statement, and I'm going to give you the solution of that problem statement in this video. And now without wasting much time, let us get started. Friends, before going into the solution, let us know what was the problem statement. After how many clock cycles a task feeder should feed tasks to module 1 so that our pipeline is operating in an efficient way. Friends, before figuring out the number of clock cycles taken by task feeder to feed tasks to module 1, we must understand that module 1 may take 3 to 5 clock cycles depending on the task type. Similarly, module 2 can take 4 to 6 clock cycles to process a task given to it depending on the task type. Similarly, module 3 may take 2 to 5 clock cycles to process a task depending on the task type. Friends, one easy solution to this problem is you can figure out the maximum number of clock cycles that module 1 can take. So for module 1, it can take maximum 5 clock cycles to process any type of task. Similarly, module 2 can take maximum 6 clock cycles to complete any task. Similarly, module 3 can take maximum 5 clock cycles to complete any task. Friends, from these three values, you can again calculate the maximum value. Out of these three values, the maximum clock cycles are 6. So a task manager can feed task to module 1 after 6 clock cycles. Then this pipeline will work without any problem. But I don't want to stop here. I want to make my pipeline further more efficient. So I have more data to share with you. Friends, I'm assuming that there are three types of tasks given to module 1, and similarly three types of tasks given to module 2, and similarly three types of tasks given to module 3. And module 1 takes only 3 clock cycles to complete a task of type 1. Similarly, it takes 4 clock cycles to complete a task of type 2, 5 clock cycles for task of type 3. Similarly, you can see the table for module 2. It takes 4 clock cycles to complete a task of type 1 and so on. And similarly for module 3, it takes 2 clock cycles to complete a task of type 1 and it takes 5 clock cycles to complete a task of type 3. Now friends, I want to make this pipeline more efficient. I want to reduce these clock cycles further. I want to complete more tasks in a lesser time. Then you have to tell me after how many clock cycles our task feeder can feed tasks to module 1. Now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If something comes to your mind, please write it down in the comment section. Otherwise, I will reveal its solution in the upcoming videos. And I hope that this would be quite informative for all of you. If you also like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such videos. So to be in line with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your support.